Welcome to our guide on customer relationship management software. In today's fast-paced business world, managing customer relationships effectively is crucial. That's where CRM comes in. So, what exactly is CRM? It's a system that helps businesses manage interactions with current and potential customers. It keeps all your customer data in one place, allowing for seamless communication and personalized service. As companies grow, managing customer information can become overwhelming. Inefficient data management can lead to lost opportunities and dissatisfied customers. CRM software provides a centralized platform that organizes and simplifies customer data. Moreover, CRM is not just about managing data, it's about building stronger relationships. By understanding customer needs and preferences, businesses can tailor their approach, leading to higher satisfaction and loyalty. As we continue, we'll explore the common business problems solved by CRM and how its features can transform your operations. Stay with us to discover how CRM can be the key to unlocking your business's full potential. In the competitive business landscape, staying organized and efficient is paramount. However, many businesses struggle with disorganized customer data. Vital information gets lost in spreadsheets and misplaced notes, making it hard to keep track of customer interactions. Inefficient communication further compounds the problem, leading to unanswered emails, delayed customer queries, and poor team collaboration. Most costly of all are the lost sales opportunities. Without a cohesive system to manage leads and follow-up tasks, potential sales slip through the cracks, directly impacting revenue and growth. These challenges significantly hinder business success, decreasing customer satisfaction and impeding growth. Let's now explore how these issues can be effectively addressed with the right tools and strategies. Many businesses face the challenge of disorganized customer data, inefficient communication, and missed sales opportunities. These obstacles can significantly hinder growth and customer satisfaction. But there's a solution: CRM software. CRM, or Customer Relationship Management, offers a centralized platform for managing valuable customer data efficiently. All your contacts, their interactions, and vital information are now stored in one place. No more sifting through countless spreadsheets or scattered files. With CRM, communication across your team becomes seamless. The software streamlines interactions, ensuring everyone is on the same page. From automated emails to scheduled follow-ups, CRM ensures nothing falls through the cracks. Sales tracking is another cornerstone of CRM's capabilities. It offers clear visibility into your sales pipeline, helping you monitor progress and forecast with accuracy. Thanks to CRM, tracking your sales becomes simpler and more effective. CRM software addresses core issues, transforming challenges into opportunities for growth and efficiency. As we move forward, you'll see how CRM can revolutionize your business operations, one feature at a time. In today's competitive market, businesses must harness the power of CRM software. Why? Because CRM delivers numerous advantages that can propel your business forward. Firstly, CRM enhances customer relationships by providing a comprehensive view of customer interactions, helping you deliver personalized and timely service. This personal touch fosters loyalty and boosts customer satisfaction. Secondly, CRM tools increase sales by streamlining and automating processes, enabling your team to focus on closing deals. With clear sales pipelines and automated follow-ups, every opportunity is maximized. Lastly, effective data management is a cornerstone of CRM benefits. By centralizing data, CRM ensures accuracy and accessibility, empowering informed decision-making across your organization. These advantages, improved relationships, heightened sales, and superior data handling, translate into greater efficiency and profitability. As we move forward, you'll see how CRM's features elevate your operational success. As we dive into the core features of CRM software, let's explore how these elements streamline business operations. At its heart, CRM excels in contact management, acting as a central hub to store and organize customer data. This feature ensures that every customer interaction is logged, accessible, and actionable, fostering better relationships. Next, sales automation simplifies the sales process by automating repetitive tasks and providing valuable insights, allowing your sales team to focus on closing deals. Finally, comprehensive customer support tools ensure that inquiries are promptly addressed, enhancing overall satisfaction and loyalty. Together, these key features form a powerful toolkit that can transform your business operations, driving efficiency and productivity. As we move forward, you'll see how to implement these features effectively for maximum impact. Implementing CRM software is a crucial step for any business looking to streamline its operations and enhance customer relationships. The first step is selecting the right CRM that aligns with your business needs. This decision can significantly impact the overall success of your CRM implementation. Next, it's time to migrate your existing data into the new system. This process involves transferring customer information, sales data, and other relevant details into the CRM. Ensuring the accuracy and completeness of this data is essential for effective CRM usage. Finally, invest in training your staff. Proper training ensures that everyone understands how to use the CRM efficiently, maximizing its potential. From sales teams to customer support, a well-trained staff will leverage the CRM to its fullest, driving better results and improved customer satisfaction. These steps, choosing the right CRM, data migration, and staff training, are fundamental to a smooth transition and the effective utilization of your CRM system. As we move forward, you'll see how to overcome common implementation challenges and achieve CRM success. Implementing CRM can indeed present challenges, but these hurdles are not insurmountable. Common issues like data migration problems and user resistance can seem daunting. However, with a structured approach and the right resources, these obstacles can be effectively managed. Let's start with data migration. Poor data quality can disrupt the smooth transfer of information into the new system. To solve this, ensure thorough data cleaning and preparation before migration. This helps maintain data integrity and eases the transition. Next, we have user resistance. Change is often met with hesitation, especially when new technology is involved. To combat this, invest in comprehensive training programs that empower your team and highlight how CRM will make their jobs easier and more efficient. The key to overcoming these challenges lies in proper planning and ongoing support. When approached with a clear strategy and a focus on team collaboration, the path to successful CRM implementation becomes much smoother. As we move forward, you'll see real-world examples of companies that have successfully implemented CRM, demonstrating the tangible benefits and positive outcomes they have achieved. Let's delve into a real-world example of a company that successfully implemented CRM. Before CRM, they struggled with scattered customer data, delayed responses, and missed sales opportunities. Upon adopting CRM, everything changed. Customer data became centralized, allowing the team to access crucial information instantly. This shift led to improved response times and enhanced customer satisfaction. Their sales teams reported an impressive increase in efficiency, directly leading to higher sales figures. The streamlined process meant less time spent on administrative tasks and more time focusing on customer needs. Not only did this boost sales, but it also built stronger, long-term customer relationships. Positive outcomes didn't end there. With access to rich customer insights, they could tailor their marketing campaigns more effectively, driving both customer engagement and retention. This case study underscores the transformative power of CRM, making a compelling argument for its implementation in any business looking to grow and thrive in a competitive market. As we move forward, you'll see how CRM can lead to sustained growth and unparalleled customer loyalty. In the long run, customer relationship management, or CRM, proves to be more than just a tool. it's a strategic investment in the future of your business. By leveraging CRM, companies can achieve sustained growth, allowing them to scale operations efficiently and effectively. CRM fosters customer loyalty through personalized interactions and consistent follow-ups, ensuring that customers feel valued and understood. With the wealth of data at your fingertips, CRM empowers businesses to make data-driven decisions, transforming raw information into actionable insights. This leads to smarter marketing, improved sales strategies, and enhanced customer experiences. Embracing CRM means committing to a future where growth, loyalty, and data-driven success are not just goals but realities. As we conclude this segment, let's look forward to a more connected and informed approach to managing customer relationships. Next up, we'll recap the journey so far and provide the final steps to get started on your CRM journey. To recap, CRM software offers numerous benefits that can transform your business. By centralizing customer data, improving communication, and optimizing sales processes, CRM can lead to sustained growth and enhanced customer loyalty. Throughout this video, we've explored the challenges businesses face without CRM and outlined how CRM effectively addresses these issues. From improving customer relationships to driving data-driven decisions, CRM stands as an essential tool in today's competitive market. Don't wait, start your CRM journey today and experience the profound difference it can make. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, CRM can streamline operations, boost productivity, and ultimately lead to better business outcomes. Our guide has walked you through the key features, implementation steps, and real-world success stories. Now, it's time to take action. Explore your options, choose the right CRM for your needs, and embark on a path to unparalleled business success. Thank you for joining us on this journey. We're confident that with CRM, your business will unlock new potentials and achieve remarkable growth. Remember, the future of your business starts now. Embrace CRM and see the transformation today.